Hello, everyone. Today, let us talk about the priesthood of science. People talk about science like it is pure truth-seeking. The method is open to anyone. The system that decides what gets heard is not. Here is the human side of how modern science often works. First, authority shapes attention. To get taken seriously, you usually need the right degrees, the right affiliations, and papers in the right journals. That creates a ladder. People near the top control access to funding, publishing, and career progress. That matters because careers sit inside theories. When a new claim challenges a field's core story, it can threaten reputations and decades of work. In that climate, gatekeepers do not always debate the claim in public. They often filter it out through silence, slow review, or not a fit. Second, consensus can become a tool. People say, the consensus is settled. But consensus often tracks social pressure and money. Researchers write proposals that match what funders want. Departments reward what fits the current frame. Journals prefer what sounds credible to the current crowd. That creates a loop. The system keeps testing inside the same boundaries because that is what gets approved. Third, peer review is not a magic shield. Peer review helps, but people run it. Reviewers carry commitments, incentives, and limited time. Errors pass through. Weak methods pass through. Overstated claims pass through. A published result can mean accepted by reviewers, not final truth. Now apply this to famous, settled topics. Take gravity. We can predict gravitational effects with high precision. We use equations that work extremely well in many settings, yet scientists still argue about the deeper nature of gravity at the most extreme scales. That is why quantum gravity research exists. That is why debates about singularities, unification, and quantum descriptions continue. Take evolution. Evolutionary theory explains many patterns in biology. At the same time, major questions stay active. Researchers debate key steps in early life, the rise of new biological functions, and big transitions across deep time. When institutions talk to the public, they often speak with more confidence than the frontier deserves. That protects authority and avoids uncertainty on camera. Finally, science runs on assumptions. The biggest boundary rule in many fields is methodological naturalism. That rule says, explain events using physical causes only. Science treats that rule as a working constraint, not a proven discovery. It shapes what counts as an acceptable explanation before the test even starts. So here is the point. Science is powerful. It builds medicine, technology, and engineering. But the scientific institution is still a human institution. It protects status. It rewards conformity. It filters risk. A map can guide you while still missing terrain. If you want truth, use the tool. Then watch the incentives behind the tool. Keep asking hard questions. Keep demanding clear evidence. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and follow for more.